students. Welcome to all online classes. For a few days, I am your maths teacher. My name is Shraddha Tiwari. How are you all? I hope you use your time properly. Okay. So in this video, we will discuss relations and functions. That is chapter 1 of class 12 syllabus. Before going to the relation and function, we have to revise some of the concept which we have discussed in class 11th. So let's us revise that. Our revision topic is set, subset, ordered pair, Cartesian product, relation, domain and range. First one is set. A set is a well-defined collection of objects. Set have provided their importance in relations and function. That is why we discuss first of all set. Set, well-defined object collection is called set. Well-defined collection, that means collection should not change from person to person. For example, if I ask you top 5 actor of Bollywood, it will be different from everyone. The answer will be different for everyone, so it is not set. But I ask you natural number, so everyone give same answer, that n is equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. That means well-defined collection means collection should not change from person to person is called set. So proper definition is a set is a well-defined collection of objects. For example, if I say the set of natural number less than 6, so we can write like that, capital A is equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. That means set are usually denoted by capital letters A, B, C, X, Y, Z, etc. The element of a set are represented by a small letter. If we want to represent the set of vowels letter, so we will represent like small a, small I, small u, small o, small e. Here, 1 is an element of set A. So, we say that 1 belongs to A. The Greek symbol epsilon. That means 1 belongs to A. Next, we can represent set in two ways. That is by using roster form and set builder form. Here, roster form means in this case specify all the elements of the set, and set builder form, instead of writing all the elements of the set, we write some rules or method. Here, not specify all the element, we are writing the rule in short form. That is the set builder form. Here, in roster form, all the element of the set listed here, and they are bring separate by commas and are enclosed within brackets. For example, A is equal 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Set of all natural number we can represent n is equal 1, 2, 3, 4 dot dot dot. That means so on. In set builder form, it represented as A is equal x such that x is an odd natural number less than 10. You see, here all number is less than 10 and all are natural number. Next, we have subset. Subset means this is the related means two sets. We need here two sets. Like we take here A is equal 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 and B is equal to 6, 7, 9. So we needed two set. Every element of B is also an element of A. Here you see 5 is here, 6, 7, 8, 9. But in set of B, 6 is here and here, 7 here and here, 9 here and here. So we can say B is a subset of set A, and symbolically we represent B subset of A. Here all element of B set along the set A, so we can say B is subset of A. But we can't say A is subset of B because 5 and 8 is not in the member of set B. That means they are not an element of set B. So we can say only B subset of A, but we can't say A subset of B because two elements are not there in B, so A is not a subset of B. Next, hello my dear